Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in today's tutorial guys, I have the Galaxy A25 in this case. So this is a A25 and I'm going to show you to fix the issue where the device screen is frozen. It's not that meant to this. Alright, so I'm demonstrating. Alright, so let's say for example, your device has frozen up. It could be on any screen including this screen. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to locate the power button, the volume down. So that's volume down and power. You're going to press both at the same time. So for example, if it's on this screen here, you're simply going to find the power and the volume down button. You're going to press and hold both at the same time. Keep holding. Alright. As soon as it goes blank, you can let go and you see that Samsung logo. Alright, so once this happens, is what you did just now. It's a force reboot. So what's happening to the device is that the device is now rebooting. It should fix problems where the device was frozen. Alright, so here's the device again. And in the case where it was not working, it should be back up and it should be fully functional, or should be fully working. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And as always guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, showing you to easily force restart your device that's frozen or unresponsive. Alright, see you in the next one guys. Bye.